Good morning, we're on day 3 and we have got applique happening today, and we've got spaghetti bolognese for dinner, and we've got salads and everything for lunch and breakfast and all that sort of stuff's happening. But the ladies are all very keen to get down in the sewing room, so most of them are already down there. We'll be heading down at 10 o'clock, and I think a few of them are walking around the markets and stuff like that. I know Beck was going to the markets to get some food. As she always does.
Some special treats. I like my treats.
That's it. So yeah, we're going to head down now and get the day started. Yes, you could. Feathers, yeah, like it would look under his wing, yes. Yes, you could do that, most definitely. That's better, I've got a better view of it now. Awesome, I reckon it looks fantastic on the black. Gonna have to get group photos before he's all go. Oh, that's looking good. Loving it. Looks fabulous. There you go, Ange. Oh, he's coming together. There you go, ma'am. Good. Alright, that's looking good. This is the emu. Lovely. I like the colour of your thread. Awesome. Very nice. That's it. Hand wind it to see where it's going to go. So basically what I told Beck was when you come to a corner and you're not sure, hand wind where it's going to go, and when it's going to do its last stitch to turn, now turn it. That's it. When you come to corners like that, it's better to hand until you get the feel of your machine and you know the count of your stitch, because every machine is different. That is my best advice I'm going to give you, is just to hand wind. It takes a couple of seconds, but you'll get a better finish. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, his nose is on. Yes. And we've got another emu, and you're doing a blanket stitch. No? Yes? Yep. Oh, yep. Awesome. So, with invisible thread, yes, but Miss Anne is very ambitious today, going with an invisible thread. So that's, for those that don't know what invisible thread is, I'll try and get a little bit closer, but it's basically fishing line. It's very fine. Monofilament is another name they call it as well. It's sometimes used on multicoloured quilts, and it is perfect for this sort of applique when you've got lots of different colours, as you can see. And you can see there that that is just blending in nicely. So that's what monofilament looks like, and that's the correct term for it. Love it, love it. It's looking fabulous. He is super cute. I love his colours. Sometimes you just got to take that gamble, don't you? You've got the colour, you just got to do it. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. You know, at least you had fun doing it. You learned something along the way. I take my hat off to you using the invisible thread. I don't like it. It's not my favourite. Yeah, you do. You've got to go slow. Yeah. You know the nets that you get through your embroidery machine? It looks like really fine. You know, what you get your onions in. It looks like that. Comes with most embroidery machines, but it even feeds that a lot better if you've got something along those lines. Yeah, so if you go into a sewing shop and just ask them the net that goes over the cotton on your embroidery machine, they should have some in stock if they sell machines, and that just makes it yeah. Yep. Yeah. 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 So yeah, it does. It makes a big difference. I use it on both. Like I've done an applique with the invisible thread as well, and basically that's what I use, and it just feeds it a lot better and stops that whole tendency. Because you're right. Like if you go too fast, you're got a mess. Yeah, just pick that project up and surf it. So what did you end up going with? Yep, that's the one that Patricia's using. That's a nice one. I like that one. Good choice. Awesome. That looks good. That yellow's looking really good on that goldy colour. It's giving me grief. If you find that that's happening too much, you're probably best off stopping and just hitting with going over the iron again and getting it to stick down a bit better. Okay. Cool.
Alrighty, so we're packing up from lunch and we're about to head back down to the sewing room. Everybody's left. They scoffed their lunch down and they've taken off down there. They're working on their applique one today. A few of them have decided that they're going to finish the lining of their bag when they get home because they've got retreats or they've got sewing days and stuff with friends. So they're going to do that. Most of them are getting stuck into the applique and they're absolutely loving it. And I was quite surprised this time that we had quite a few that have not done applique before. So it's quite refreshing to teach them something different. And so we're all going to start on the machine side of it, and Beck is actually going to be teaching some of this class, so it'll be good because she's just had a chance to do that just recently, and so I thought what better option of thing to do for Beck to further her education than actually help her by getting some of the ladies and showing some of the beginners, and she's going to pass on the tips and tricks that I passed on to her. So we will check in periodically throughout the day and we'll talk soon. Bye. Well, that's it for another day. We have got all our little appliques done. As you can see here, it's getting close to the afternoon, late afternoon, and the wallabies are all coming out as well as the rosellas. So that's it for day 3, our second workshop. Tomorrow we pack up and we head off home. So if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. Thanks very much for joining me today, and I really hope that you enjoyed what we showed you that goes on at our sewing retreats. Keep an eye out for part 2 because we've got a special treat for you. Have a great day everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.